When parents are creating a co-parenting plan, I want them to think about several different things. First of all, are we able to co-parent? And what I mean by that is actually engage in meaningful conversation and make decisions together. That doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to agree on everything or about everything, but are you able to have a conversation about it and even in disagreement, reach a resolution? That's the first and possibly most important thing to consider. The other thing to consider, of course, is what are the needs of your kids? If any of your kids have special needs or things that make them particularly unique, we want to consider those things. Are there significant amounts of therapy that they need to go to? Or are there significant difficulties that they have with transition? Or is one house physically set up in a way that provides for that child in a way another house does not, or needs to have physical accommodations made? For example, could be a wheelchair ramp or some other sorts of lifts for assisted bathing or other things that might need to happen. We also want to think about how busy our kids are. Are our kids going to activities often? Do our kids go to regular 5-day school? Are they grade school aged? Are they high school aged? Are they preschool aged? All of those things make a difference when we're thinking about what type of parenting plan we're going to have for the parents. It also really helps parents in coming with a co-parenting arrangement or agreement to think of being on duty or off duty instead of I have custody and you don't have custody. As parents, there are times that we have to be off duty even when we're married or when we're together. That might be when we go to work or when we go to the grocery store. There are times that I'm off duty and the other parent is then on duty. And it can help to come up with agreements and arrangements that keep it child focused when we think about parents being on duty and off duty instead of a parent having or not having custody.